Hello everyone, welcome to Wednesdays for Women. And today I have with me my wonderful, beautiful, extremely talented friend Guru Jina Rajkumari Baido. She is a folk exponent from Northeast India, Assam, and she's an international folk singer working on traditional music and dance and ethnic culture. A very warm welcome to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming on my program because this is a special program where we do it only for women. আমি অকল মহিলাৰ কাৰণে কৰোঁ বুধবাৰে কৰোঁ এইটো আৰু আমি যিমান পাৰোঁ আমি মানে মই যিমান ভাল ভাল মহিলাক চিনি পাওঁ মই আমাৰ যিখিনি মানুহে চাই থাকে মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো তেওঁলোকৰ সন্মুখলৈ আনিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰোঁ
This is my first time with you. I am very happy about today's interview because your channel I'm coming first time. I always watching you. You are really doing good job.
Thank you.
I always appreciate you, and you are also very good woman working different field, culture, art, and everything. So I am appreciate with you. I am really happy with you today.
Thank you so much. Actually, Jina Baido speaks excellently. She sings excellently, and she dances beautifully. And all this in the traditional folk music and culture from Assam.
Not like that, but just I'm going to try to do something for my culture.
You are really good. You are really good, Jina Baido. Apuni bhal hetu apuni accept korak. You are really the best. So apuni accept korak, and I want the world viewers. Moi aji etu Ingrazit kiyo korisu. Why I'm doing this in English is because Jina Baido speaks beautifully in Assamese and in many different languages. She sings in many different languages.
Yes.
But today I'm doing this particularly in English because I want my world viewers, people who are going to see her video on my channel in different parts of the world, should know who is Guru Jina Rajkumari Baido. They need to know her. Teoloke jonar dorkar. Teo kun hoy. Iman egoraki ধুনীয়া মহিলা ইমান ট্যালেন্টেড মহিলা আমি তেওঁক আগবঢ়াই দিয়াটো আমাৰ দায়িত্ব আমাৰ কৰ্তব্য So Baido, let me ask you some very simple questions from your start. So when did you start this trend into folk music and folk dance?
Actually, from my childhood, I was interested with vocal, mainly singing. So I worked hard. I worked different classical music and all about that. But I feel all singers, lots of singers in different field, like a modern, western, different way. So I feel why I will not do for own my culture. Art form means folk culture is a identity of own state.
Yes.
So it represents our culture, language, and our tradition, our costume, our everything. So ethnic part, I really excited about on folk music. So I decided to do hard work in this field.
Right.
So
and when did you start?
I started to singing from my childhood, but I working in this field in folk music about 15 years before. So I'm not a proper woman to do this field. Just I'm trying to do myself to promote my culture and art and dance from everything.
So nice. I mean, see, look at these viewers. This lady, she has been doing her dance and folk music and everything since she was a very young girl. সৰুৰ পৰাই তেওঁৰ এটা স্পৃহা আছে যে তেওঁ আমাৰ কালচাৰ কেনেকৈ পৃথিৱীলৈ আগবঢ়াই দিব, সেইটো এটা তেওঁৰ স্পৃহা আছে, তেওঁৰ এটা ইচ্ছা আছে। আৰু সেইকাৰণে আজি Jina Rajkumari Baido, we know her as Guru Jina Rajkumari. She has been given this award, she has been given this title by the government of India. And that is why I'm so proud that I'm actually very proud that I'm her friend. I'm very privileged that I am her friend. So Baido, let me ask you, you are a very good singer, so I'm sure you're going to sing at least one song for us.
Yes, definitely.
So can you sing one of the songs?
Yes,
because this is the pandemic time.
Okay.
and I'm sure people are in a state where they are either
Everybody has
sad and-
tension.
yes, they have a tension. They are
Tension.
going through depression.
Yes.
And we don't want to talk about depressing things. We want to
Yes.
talk about
We
lots
have
of
to
happy
encourage
things.
all
We have to
people.
encourage them.
Yes.
So there's one particular song which I really love, that Firili song that you have to sing that song
yes,
in
that
between.
one, that one Nepali folk song. But
Yes.
I want to sing first time my own song.
Okay.
This is in Tiwa folk song. I'm singing different tradition like Boro, Mising, Rabha, Karbi, and lots of tribes in Assam. I'm singing and I'm doing dance art form. Now I want to sing to your viewers
Please.
that song Jakoi Lange Lange. This is one of Tiwa fishing song, very enjoyable song. So let's start.
Yes, sure. Please.
Lang thangao re suali nani ba jakoi mari nukhuai hate jakoi mari nukhuai ha e dolonir potharo jakoi bayasilu kola fulo dhorile ju eju keruai diboloi ahote sokuti marisili muke sokuti marisili mu দুটা সৰিয়া মুঠিতে পেৰিলি ডেকা কুজুগালি তেল এ লালুঙৰ লালিলাই লালুঙৰ লালিলাই লালুঙৰ হিলালি গান লাই লাই হিলালি লালিলাই হিলালি লালিলাই হিলালি গান লালিলাই হিলালি গান লালিলাই হিলালি গান
Please teacher Julia lagise oh. I'm sure viewers, you must have enjoyed this. As you see her face, I was looking at her because her face was glowing, and this is one thing that my mother says. She says that singers and poets and dancers, they have this kind of a magic charm. They have this heavenly charm about them. I'm sure they don't have any bad things in their heads. They absolutely they have a clear head. They have a clear conscience.
Yes.
And I'm sure you feel like that.
Yes,
also.
I want to share with you. I cannot take any tension more.
Okay.
I only like to sing, like to dance, hear to music, listening to music. I don't like to get tension. Yes,
So
we
does
have
Gina
so much
Baidu?
tension.
So
We are having so much
did
tension.
Gina Baidu get tense during the pandemic, during this lockdown? Lockdown on
Yes,
অলপ
yes.
tension হৈছিল নে?
টেনশ্যন হৈছিলে কাৰণ কি হ'ব বুলি তাৰপিছত we are planning to do my own time in my own work, study, physical exercise, listening to music, writing something. I'm writing on my
A book, a novel?
novel, yes.
Very nice.
About my one of the disease, it's breast cancer. So I'm as a breast cancer patient. So I want to do something on that field also for awareness to the people. So everybody has lots of tension. Myself also have lots of tension, but I cannot fight with the tension. I want to crack the tension. So with the music, I always get tension free.
Okay. Wow. So nice. Have you noticed people that she's got lovely skin? And I think it's actually the speciality of the Northeast, because Northeast people have beautiful skin,
Yeah.
and I think all the North Indians are
No,
going to get
you
very
are-
jealous.
You are very beautiful, lady.
No, I'm from the Northeast. That's why I'm proud
I
to be
always
from the
care for
Northeast.
your color, very good color.
Thank you so much. Thank you, but you're so talented. So tell me something. I remember once এবাৰ আপুনি এখন খুব ধুনীয়া workshop কৰিছিলে বিহু আমাৰ যিখন আমাৰ বিহু বামনিব নামৰ যিখন বিহুখন আছে সেইখনত আপুনি you did a wonderful workshop and you brought in the Thailand people from
Yes,
Thailand.
yes.
Please tell us something about that.
Every year I am doing one workshop, personal view. So with Bihu dance, everyone know Bihu, but from the little side, upcoming children, they don't know about the Bihu. What is the Bihu? How to dance? What is the music of the Bihu? So I want to introduce Bihu with the new generation, and combinedly I'm doing one of the traditional dance from different types of Assam, like Boro, like Tiwa, like Rava. I already completed on those tradition
Okay.
art form. So last year before I introduced one of the Thailand folk dance,
Yes.
because I used to go Thailand more time. I know the Thailand people. I have lots of friends.
You know how
in
to speak
Thailand.
Thai.
Yes, Khopun Kha. I know the Thai people, very good friend of mine. So lots of friends are there. So I invited them to come down and they teach the Thai traditional folk art form, which our Guwahati student, my student. So
it was
it
a
is
combination of
integration.
Bihu and
It is a very good integration, internationally integration with the Thai folk dance and with the Bihu.
wow.
So we enjoy a lot. My students are very happy with the Thai music and dance. So I always doing that types of work. And I also used to go in Thailand more time to exchange our culture, like Northeast in India. In my Assam state, I representing my own culture with my own student, own tradition, own instrument, own tune with the Thai people. So Thai people also know the Bihu dance, because I already teach them how to do Bihu dance. They organize workshop 3 times, more than 3 times. They want to know the Bihu dance and Bihu song. Lots of Chinese students and Thai students, they can dance the Bihu and they can sing the Bihu.
So you are the teacher, you are their guru.
Yes.
Yes, so nice. Did you hear that? This time, actually last year, I saw Gina Baido doing this workshop with the Thailand people guests from Thailand. But this year, unfortunately, because of the COVID, we missed Bihu.
Yes,
and
this
we
time
missed
I
your
want
workshop
to
also.
tell you, this time I cancelled my one of the different international dance workshop that was from Myanmar.
Okay.
So I can they cancel and we have to postpone all those things for this COVID-19. So next year,
Next
if
year.
time will come.
God
yes,
helps
God
us.
will help us.
Yes.
Then we have lots of plan to do different tradition in Northeast, also in abroad, any agriculture.
Lovely.
Yes.
Viewers, please wish her all the best and wish her that she does very good and she takes our culture across to different parts of the world. That is what I want Gina Baido to do. I want the whole world to know about Guru Gina Rajkumari Baido. So Baido, I want another song from you. We have been talking too many serious things. বহুত
Yes.
serious কথা পাতিলো আৰু এটা ধুনীয়া সুন্দৰ গান এটা গালে বৰ ভাল লাগিব।
মই এটা গান গাব বিচাৰিছোঁ যিটো গান আমাৰ ব্লেজ ৰকষ্টাৰ চিনেমাখন আমি সকলোৱে জানো। তালে অক্সফৰ্ড হৈছিলে নমিনেশ্যন, তাতে মোৰ এই গানটো আছে, মই কণ্ঠদান কৰা। This is a Rava folk song. I sang this film.
You sang in Village Rockstars.
Village Rockstars.
So people, she sang in Village Rockstars. You know that this film was nominated for the Oscars,
Yes.
and Baido is going to sing this for us now.
So I want to sing right now.
Sure.
Riba 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 hoy riba, sakai sungi dim dakai riba. Riba 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 hoy riba, sakai sungi dim dakai riba. Ha Sakayan hamjar bona, Sakayan hamjar bona, Haba hasabona sime, Panbiri klana sime, Khore bakhurai men, Kalka kodalai men, Ham jaron bona, Ham jaron bona, Hur 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 se, hur se, hur se, hur 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 se, hur se, hur se, fui, fui, Sakayan nukina renga, fui, fui, Sakayan nukina renga, Sakayan nukina renga.
Oh, lovely! I need to applause for this. ইমান ধুনীয়া হৈছে, ইমান ধুনীয়া হৈছে। সঁচাকৈ মোৰ গাৰ নোম শিয়ৰি গৈছে। I got goosebumps, you know, when I heard this song. It's
So
really
it is
beautiful.
a cultivation song.
Okay.
Actually, we are they are living in hillside,
Mhm.
so they are doing their cultivation hillside one by one stair.
Okay.
You know, no?
Yes.
So
The step cultivation you're
Yes.
talking about.
this song representing all the process how to they work in
Wow.
field.
Yes, yes. I think Jina Bado, most of our songs, বহুত কিটা গানেই আমাৰ বহুবোৰ গানেই এইটো কৃষি যেহেতু আমি কৃষি প্ৰধান ঠাই হয়, so since we are mostly, you know, from an agriculture based, you know, we are people from that background, so most of our songs are like that, and what Jina Bado just sang is background with this, you know, with the agriculture, you know, story
Rabha
theme,
community.
yes, of the Rabha community. So what other songs do you sing? You sing a variety of you know, songs, and you sing, I remember one wonderful show that I did with you
Yes.
was for Swagat Hospitals,
Yes.
and I was
It was an
anchoring.
international show.
It was an international
Yes.
show, and I remember I was anchoring, and after
Yeah.
that you went on stage and you literally captured the entire audience. The audience went crazy after all the doctors.
Yeah.
সকলো ডক্টৰ
From
আপোনাৰ
abroad.
ওচৰলৈ দৌৰি আহিছে
Right.
যে, you know, we want to know this lady, we want to know, and I was feeling so proud, I was feeling so good, and one after the other he was singing this song, and it was really great, really,
Actually,
seriously.
it is encouraged for me when they from abroad, lots of doctors from abroad, Australia,
Mhm.
America, and London, lots of
Doctors will
yeah.
come, yes.
I am very proud to be there because I always thanks to Sagat Hospital. They giving me this opportunity to promote our culture.
Right,
actually.
right.
I want to tell you something about abroad. I already visited London 3 times, Bangladesh 2
So
times.
all this for
Yes,
singing.
for singing,
Wow.
for promote our culture. So I meet lots of people in different
Mhm.
language, different country.
Yes.
So they like our culture. They don't like me.
Oh.
They like our culture.
That is
No,
I think,
no.
I don't know what
they
she's
like
saying.
me.
They love
like
you.
me. They like me through my culture.
Yes.
I'm representing my culture. My culture is a very rich.
It's very rich.
Our culture is rich. Very Northeast culture is rich through folk art form. So they respect me on behalf of them.
No, but you are a very lovable person, Jina Bado. You are a very lovable person. Anybody will fall in love with you. So you please don't worry about that. They love you as a person, and because you're taking the culture across to their country. And let me ask you, there are a lot of young people, বহুত সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালী যোনে গান গাবলৈ বিচাৰে বা গান গাব খোজে, বহুত মহিলাইও এইটো এতিয়া দেখিছোঁ এই বন্ধৰ সময়ত, they are singing, you know, young girls, women, even elderly people, they are singing. But what is the secret behind being a good singer? Secret to কি হ'ব পাৰে বাৰু, মানে সাধনা লাগে নে নে সুৰ লাগে নে জন্মগত কিবা এটা লাগে, কি লাগে?
This is a very good question, really. Actually, মোৰ যিটো ফিলিংছ মই ক'ব খোজোঁ, ইনবৰ্ণ থাকে টেলেণ্ট, বহুতৰ থাকে ইনবৰ্ণ টেলেণ্ট, গড ব্লেছ দেম, আৰু কিছুমান আছে দে আৰ ডুইং হাৰ্ড ৱৰ্ক। হাৰ্ড ৱৰ্ক কৰিলে সেই টেলেণ্টটো তেওঁ ডেভেলপ কৰিব পাৰে। তাৰ কাৰণে বহুত ডেডিকেশ্যন লাগিব, এফৰ্ট লাগিব, আৰু তেওঁৰ ইণ্টাৰনেল যোনটো ফিলিংছ মিউজিকৰ প্ৰতি সেইটো বহুত বেছি আগ্ৰহ থাকিব লাগিব আৰু সেইমতে তেওঁ কষ্ট কৰিব লাগিব তাৰ কাৰণেহে এটা ফুলফিল ছিংগিংটো আহিব পাৰে আৰু ছিংগিং ইজ নট এ ভেৰি ইজি এইটো আপোনাৰ জাষ্ট ৰাইট নাও হ'ব নোৱাৰে তাৰ কাৰণে আপোনাৰ
ডেইলি এটা
প্ৰেক্টিছ লাগিব
প্ৰেক্টিছ লাগিব
ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম আপুনি লাভছ কৰিব মিউজিকটো ভাল পাব
লাগিব
ইমানেই ভাল পাব লাগিব আপোনাৰ গোটেই ব্লাডত সেই বস্তুটো থাকিব লাগিব আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে এইটো এটা উইচ হয় মই ভাবোঁ আৰু যদি আমি তাৰ কাৰণে হাৰ্ডৱৰ্ক কৰিব পাৰোঁ নিজৰ চেষ্টা লাগিব আৰু ৰেচপেক্ট দিব লাগিব আনৰ মিউজিকক আৰু তোমাৰ নিজৰ গুৰুসকলক তুমি ৰেচপেক্ট কৰিব লাগিব আৰু উইদাউট গুৰু কেন লাৰ্ণ এনিথিং গুৰু লাগিব সকলোতে গুৰু আছে গাইড কৰিব লাগিব আৰু নিজে এটা মাইণ্ড লাগিব এটা নিজৰ মন লাগিব যে মই এই কামটো কৰিম সেইটো হ'লে তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই সংগীতটো ফুলফিল হ'ব পাৰে আৰু সকলো মানুহে ইচ্ছা কৰিলে গান গাব পাৰে কিয় নোৱাৰে মনটো মানুহৰ মিউজিক ইজ এ আৰ্ট অফ থিং ইট ইজ এ গিভিং আছ পিচ সকলো মানুহে আনন্দ ল'ব খোজে শান্তি ল'ব খোজে পিচ বিচাৰে তাৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু মিউজিক দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট থিং তাৰ কাৰণে যদি মানুহে গুণগুণায় এনেকুৱা হ'ব নালাগে যে প্ৰফেশ্যনেল ছিংগাৰ হ'ব নহ'লেও নট নেচেচাৰী টু ডু প্ৰফেশ্যনেল ছিংগাৰ কিন্তু আপুনি যদি মনটো গুণগুণাই দিয়ে এটা যিকোনো গান আপোনাৰ মনৰ পৰা আহিছে ভাল লাগে এই গানটো বা যেতিয়া কুকিং তেতিয়া গোটেই মানে মাইণ্ড চাৰ্কুলেশ্যনটো খুব ভাল থাকিব কুকিংটো ভাল হ'ব আপোনাৰ হেল্থটো ভাল লাগিব ইউ আৰ নট ফিলিং টায়াৰ্ড এই ধৰণৰ মই ভাবোঁ মাই ফিলিংছ গতিকে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মই ভাবোঁ গতিকে ডেফিনেটলি এভৰি ওৱান কেন ছিং আৰু সেইটো হাৰ্টৰ পৰাই হয় বাই হাৰ্ট
So lovely. So I will just try and tell you what exactly she said for the sake of people who do not understand our language. We are speaking in Ohomia, that is the language, our mother tongue from Assam. And she said that if you want to really become a good singer, if you really want to sing, then you have to have love for singing. You have to have passion for singing. You must have respect for other music. You cannot say my music is good and that music is bad.
Yes.
You have to have respect for all music. That is what you're
Yes.
saying, no, Baidu? And then, and of course, she said one very, very important thing is that you must learn from your guru. You cannot, there are some people who are inborn, but then if you want to become a good singer, you have to take some tuition, some kind of learning, some kind of understanding from a guru. And who better than Guru Jeena Raskumari Baidu? So you can come to her. She has got a school, and
Yes, I have a school.
You have a school. Please tell us about your school.
My school's name is Borlit Kola Christi Bika Krendo. I'm teaching lots of folk dance art form in Northeast. So I have lots of my talented students. They are getting national scholarship on folk dance art form. So it is a very lovely and proud.
And do you also teach singing also?
No, not like that.
Only dance.
Yes,
teach folk dance.
When I doing the dances class, then I teach them music also, song also, because on that song they want to learn dance.
Right.
So they know little bit. When some student want to learn traditional folk song, they meet me personally and they come to my place and then I teach them if someone like that. I am very proud of my students because they are very hard workers.
Lovely. So dear students, dear young dancers who want to do traditional dance, come to Jeena Baidu. You can contact her on Facebook or you can contact me. I will give you her contact details, and that is how you get connected to a guru like her. She's a fantastic guru. So we are almost coming to the end of our show.
Okay.
So what else do you want to sing for us? One song, some song which is very.
You told me one song yesterday, some pretty.
Yes,
it was a Nepali folk song. I want to sing for you 2 lines Nepali song,
great.
and lastly I want to sing about traditional Bihu song.
Yes.
First Nepali folk song.
रेशम की रीरी, रेशम की रीरी, उड़ न जाओगी ज्ञानम भंजन रेशम की रीरी, रेशम की रीरी, रेशम की रीरी, उड़ न जाओगी ज्ञानम भंजन रेशम की रीरी. So nice.
Now, last
Our
song.
Bihu.
Bihu dance,
Yes.
Bihu song, yes.
পাহাড় আমারে ভয়াম আমারে বড়ই পিল নরই হাকু আমি অসমীয়া বিহুতে বলি ওনে নাচি কেনে কৈ থাকো এলায়ৈ নিহিৰি আমে পাথলালে লায়ৈ নিহিৰি চাবে পাথলালে লায়ৈ নিহিৰি বিৰিখে ঐ সলালে বিৰিখে ঐ সলালে পাত এলায়ৈ নিহিৰি ঘৰতো নবহে লায়ৈ নিহিৰি পথাৰতো নবহে লায়ৈ নিহিৰি কহুৱা ঐ তোলা দি কহুৱা ঐ তোলা দি উৰে এ মনে হেৰালি লালা কলৈ যাম কলৈ যাম কলৈ যাম কি কৰো লাগে মোৰে মৰমৰ নাচনী এ মোক দেখিলে লৈলে মাতা মোৰ চকুলৈকে লৈ নোচোৱা নে মাতা নোচোৱা কিহতনো ঐ উঠিছে কিহতনো ঐ উঠিছে নাচিবই মন গৈছিলে যদিও মই বিহু নাচিব নাজানো
জানা, নাচিব
নাজানো
জানা।
মই নাজানো আৰু এইটো খুব মোৰ কাৰণে এটা অতি লাজৰ কথা ইট ইজ আ shame
You
that
Jana,
I
just do it.
that I do not know how to do. I do not know how to do
Yes,
bihu.
you are doing it well. Yes.
Oh, good. See, I got it. First
Yeah.
step
This
from my
one,
guru.
This one.
First step from my guru.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to say bye to all of you. Thank you, Baido. Thank you for
Thank you
giving
so
me
much.
your time. Iman Bestotar Majotu, so much of you are still busy with all this. I have come to your office and you are so busy despite the lockdown and everything.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, and it has been a pleasure talking to you. And
Me too.
It has been an absolute privilege that you gave me your time.
Thank
মই
you.
সঁচাকৈ খুব ভাল লাগিছে and I hope our viewers of Wednesdays for Women are really going to give a big round of applause for Jeena Baido. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.